Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we try to figure out if a company is quietly making radical changes without anyone noticing. Today we are looking at Bit Digital Incorporated, and get ready because we have a resignation that has got us raising an eyebrow. So the big news here is that a board member, Xiaoshu Shong, has stepped down. Now this resignation was accepted on December 9th, but it officially takes effect on January 1st of next year. He had been part of the board since October of 2023. This might seem like a small detail, but board changes can often signal shifts in strategy or internal dynamics. We will be keeping a close eye on what this means for Bit Digital going forward. This particular filing is a Form 8, which is basically a report for any major events that a company needs to disclose to the public that are not covered in their regular quarterly or annual reports. Think of it as a special announcement. In this case, the main announcement is the resignation we just talked about. We are looking at information submitted to the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. They are the folks who make sure public companies are playing fair and sharing important information with investors. The company in question is Bit Digital Incorporated. They operate in the digital asset space, primarily focused on Bitcoin mining. It is important to note that their filings are made from the Cayman Islands, but their principal executive offices are located in New York City. Bit Digital stock is traded on the Nasdaq Capital Market under the ticker symbol BTBT. This tells us how investors can buy and sell shares of the company. The filing delves into the specifics of board and officer changes. As we mentioned, Xiaoshu Shong resigned from the board of directors. It is effective the 1st of January 2026. While this particular 8K is quite brief and doesn't contain detailed financial statements like a quarterly or annual report, it does list exhibits. In this case, the main exhibit is the actual letter of resignation from Xiaoshu Bilxiong, dated the 9th of December 2025. There is also a reference to Exhibit 104, which is the interactive data for the cover page. The report is signed by Sam Tabar, who is the Chief Executive Officer of Bit Digital Incorporated. This confirms the official submission of the document. Now, let's step back and look at what this all means. Bit Digital operates in a very dynamic and often volatile industry, and any changes in leadership, even at the board level, can be a sign of evolving internal strategies. While this specific filing is light on financial numbers, the resignation of a director is something investors should pay attention to. It could signal a disagreement on strategy, a desire to pursue different opportunities, or simply a planned transition. Without more context from the company, it is hard to say definitively why Mr. Shong resigned. However, in the world of digital assets, stability and clear leadership are often highly valued by investors. A sudden departure, even if effective at a future date, warrants a closer look at the company's future direction and any potential impact on its operations or investor relations. What is your take on this board change at Bit Digital? Does it worry you, or do you think it is just a normal part of business? Let us know in the comments below if you found this quick dive into Bit Digital's filing useful. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more corporate insights. Also remember to check out our Discord community linked in the description for more in-depth discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.